I just finished editing a YouTube video here. I'm gonna go to this really cool acai bowl place because I need an acai bowl.
If you feel lonely, I will be here and wait for the sun. It's getting closer, but it will never let us down. Here by the ocean, fire is burning, flares in the wind. Over the mountains, I see the moon. So it begins. Looking to the rising sun, this is where we belong. We belong. A new day will soon begin. That's what I've been here for all along. I have no doubt, I know you really want to stay. Fires burn out, days like this.
Okay, so I'm close to the acai bowl place and it's good because the ice cream that I just ate is finally digesting, so I'm already hungry for my next meal.
Things will always stay the same. By the ocean, fire is burning, flares in the wind. Over the mountains, I see the moon, and so it begins.
Did you pay? Can I invite you for this?
Oh, I already paid for mine, but thank you. Oh my god, yours looks so good. I want to take a picture of it.
If I would like happy.
This picture's in the middle, right here.
Yes, I bought the book. Please.
No, of the smoothie.
Please,
and
please,
the book.
please.
We'll get it all. Okay.
Without me.
Yeah, you're not in it, don't worry.
Okay.
Just the bowl. That's beautiful. What's your favorite book of all time?
My favorite book all time is a Hungarian book.
Oh.
It means this is unfortunately just for Hungarian.
You just can't read. I won't be able to read it. Oh,
yes,
no.
because it's not possible.
Well, my actual dream, I'll let you in on a secret, is to open a smoothie bowl shop like this, but I want it to be right on the beach, like close by the beach.
In US or in Europe?
Anywhere, honestly. So I'm kind of traveling. I want to see where I'd like to end up. So
That's nice.
yeah.
You have to open in Europe.
Wait, you live in Massachusetts? Then?
Yeah.
Have you been to Cape Cod or have you been to Duxbury?
Duxbury?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my gosh,
Yes.
when you go back home, you need to go to Duxbury. It's right by Cape Cod, you know.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within calling. This heavy load got under your skin. All in, you got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside. Heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors.
Right now I'm on the Buda side of Budapest and over there is Pest. That's where I'm staying. I swam across the river.
You're so good at dragging yourself down. Why? Well, there ain't much time left.
Alright, it's getting really hot again. Probably should have brought water. Oh my god.
Figure things out deep underneath all the laser. Your doubts, there's a heart gone out of rhythm in despair. Held underwater, fine for air. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feels bottled up inside.
So I got a watermelon. I don't know if this is gonna be a fizzy one, so let's find out. I think it's like sweet too. Oh my god.
For better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us. If we just hold on tight, this vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. 7 years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. For our home to show on the horizon, soon we'll be there. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us. If we just